Hi guys, this is Jenny with Curators. It's been a bit since my last video, so I thought I'd hop on here and just do a real quick one about one of the items that's come out of the CloneX community that I think is super cool and helpful to CloneX holders that are hoping to do something with their 3D files. So this individual, who goes by beb.eth on Twitter, at beb_eth, created this program called Clone.Tools. You can go to the website, which is literally Clone.Tools, to download their program. And what it does is it automatically kind of renders your clone for you. When I say automatic, I mean you do have to do a couple of things, but you know, as they posted here, it does say one-click clone assembly. So if you've had those 3D files and you've tried to do anything with them in, for example, Blender, on your own, you know, unless you're a 3D expert, it is a little bit time consuming and kind of a bit of a steep learning curve. So this aims to make things a lot more simple for the CloneX community, which I think is great. And so many creative people are involved in the community and they really do want to render their clones and see all the different things that they can do. So I quickly, I typed in the hashtag on Twitter to see what came up with Clone.Tools, and you can do the same thing and just see some of the renders that people have come out with. I mean, it's quite impressive, really, and I'm excited to see what else people come up with. I do know that the Clone.Tools keeps evolving, and if you scroll down through the site, you can see the different things that it helps you do, and also that they are currently working on something that I'm the most excited about, which is VR rigging. So I do like virtual reality. As you know, we got into the CloneX community because we want to be able to use our clone in VR, and specifically for VTubing. And I guess if there's a game where we could use the VR rigging options, that would be great too. So very excited for the future of CloneX, very excited that there are programs like Clone.Tools to use to help you kind of manipulate those 3D files. And I just wanted to bring that to your attention if you haven't seen them yet and you're in the clone community and you just really don't know what to do. So this is one place to get started. I hope you have a great evening. Please take a minute to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.